And as always, it starts with Google. Okay, we just Google helpful veteran CHKI, all right? And then we press enter. You can see it right here. The website pops up. So we just click on that link, taking us right to Helpful Veteran at that Carter Hughes Knowledge Institute. Go ahead and get your free gift when you come here. Get that claim conditions tracker, help you keep your claim organized. And here we have that claim statement generator, the AI-powered tool that's going to help you with your VA claim. AI-powered VA claims assistance. That claim statement generator. Answer 9 simple questions. Pay the $6 invoice and get your generated claim statement. Again, this is a way that you can effortlessly put together a powerful statement that you can send up to the VA. Saves you time, reduces stress, ensures those key service connection elements are being addressed, and increases your confidence in your claim. And keep in mind, this was developed with veterans' needs in mind. So you just go through and fill out these answers. Remember, take your time. Give as much detail as you deem appropriate. Answer these questions. And when you hit that send button, you hit that click send, now you're going to get that invoice, and then you're going to get your generated claim statement. Are we good to go? Are we good to go? Are we okay? Everything looks good to go. Click send.
A few moments later.
And here we go. This is what that claim statement is going to look like. You'll get it emailed to you in a Word document. So if you want to go in and add a couple things, take out a couple things, there you go. It's your generated statement, brought to you by the Helpful Veteran at Carter Hughes Knowledge Institute.